Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the fundamentals: tempo, key, and file quality so your mix behaves predictably. First, set the project sample rate and bit depth, then create a minimal track stack, software instrument, audio, drummer. Next, arm the inputs and record a short 4 to 8 bar demo to capture ideas and confirm levels. Once done, trim takes, name regions, and enable metronome. This saves time later and ensures your arrangement decisions are grounded in real audio and MIDI material. You now shape the song, arrange sections, and design each sound to serve the track. Start by laying out verse, chorus, bridge, move regions into place so transitions read clearly. Next, pick complementary instruments, a pad for space, bass for low end, and a focused lead, then sculpt them with EQ and compression to avoid frequency clashes. Once done, quantize lightly, comp the best takes, and automate levels for movement. These choices make the performance feel intentional rather than mechanical. You finish by mixing and preparing the final export so your song translates everywhere. Start with gain staging and panning to create separation, then bus similar tracks and apply gentle compression for glue. Use reference tracks and make subtle mastering moves, limiter, shelving EQ, aim for roughly -14 LUFS for streaming. Finally, export stems and a full mix. If you encounter clipping, distortion, or plugin artifacts, bypass suspect plugins. Confirm sample rate / bit depth, and re-export stems to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.